So I just installed the RV Components Retro Sleeper Sofa. This is the 76-inch model in the carbon fiber vinyl. This trailer is specific built to spend a few months in Alaska, and this will be an auxiliary bed, mostly a couch hangout area, but I want to go through a quick walkthrough of some of the measurements and all that stuff. So it sits, I'm about 14 inches from the ground, which is perfect because this is 13 1/4. And I did my best to mount it into the frame, but really slick how this just kind of rolls out. It's got that leg here and a leg on that side. When you put it in bed mode, this is nice and long. So width-wise, we've got 36 inches, 38 inches, excuse me, and this is 76 inches, so about 6'4" long. And it is super sturdy, great construction, really nice upholstery, and the foam in it is really nice. I obviously haven't put it to the test yet, haven't used it that much, but yeah, it's a really clever design for optimum storage space. This whole unit just folds flat up, just like that, pretty easy. And then you just probably wrap a strap around here, probably just use a cam strap, and then set it to the wall, which would be really easy, super slick, and yeah, overall, really stoked on this. I have a full video of the install of the couch, and then also a video of the trailer build. Everything's insulated. I've got Starlink power, hot water, fridge, sink, stove, kind of everything that you need to live for 2 months comfortably anywhere. So this is built to be in Alaska, in Thompson Pass, during the snow season. I'm gonna spend 2 months up there working and playing and snowmobiling, snowboarding. This is kind of a quick intro. Again, this is the RV Components 76-inch retro sofa sleeper, they call it. It's kind of a weird, I'm dyslexic, so I'm not good at like telling you what exactly the name of the product is. All right, so we got her all stowed away. We got all the shelves up and out of the way. So tons of space, nice and wide. I think it's 6.5 feet there by way over 8, so you can easily put sheets of plywood in here, so it's still a functioning utility trailer with lots of luxury, insulated, nice lights, good windows, ceiling fan, Shisugi Ban. She's a vibe. But yeah, excited to be in Alaska, excited to have this in the rig. This is definitely one of the most beautiful trailers I've built. I built 4 of these specifically for Alaska, and this is by far the nicest. Shisugi Ban, lights, extra monitor, kind of the works. So thanks for watching, and excited to see you in the next one.